Take command of the road in the 2016 Chevrolet Trax. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.